This here is your sway bar. These are your sway bar bushings connect up to the frame here. Now here, going over to the sway bar link, you can see this one's busted. Now you got 4 little tabs up on there on the OEM Honda ones. As you can see, the tabs all came through and they broke off. So it needs a new one there. If you look over at this sway bar link, the tabs are almost missing right here. These 2 are still there, which means it's almost ready to go. Almost ready to break. Hope this helps. Look at it playing that thing.
Better either get fixed here or leave on a flatbed.
Probably not a good thing, huh?
Keep going, I like that. Good, shaky it. Not like this.
You ready?
Can't see it in the video. Good, try it again. Do a shaky shake. I got the light on, so don't worry. Oh yeah, nice ball. Oh yeah, right there. Nice ball joint. That's ready to fall out.